Okay, there's a bigger junk door. Let's see what we got. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff. This is actually $300 junk door. There's a silver certificate. For this junk door I paid around $300. This is silver certificate, $1. Quality is not good, so it's probably only a couple dollars. So for that silver certificate, there's some kind of postage cards. Okay, we like stamps. Let's check them out. Oh, this is actually sealed, like Leah Collector Polska, so maybe a bunch of different sealed stamps over here. Ship boats. Don't think that's worth much. Okay, let's keep on digging till we find something good. There's a watch, some kind of Rubik's Cube on a keychain. That's cool. Brand new, so that's kind of nice. I think it's some kind of miniature games. That's what it is actually. Okay, will we get something valuable or a bunch of junk toys? Some kind of pin. That's heavy. Okay, there's nature cards, waterfalls and things. Interesting. Okay, they stuffed it and now I'll have to break it. Okay, this is some kind of old penny. What does it says? Roman Empire coin. That's not worth much. This colorized Morgan silver dollar. Not really sure if colorized worth as much as regular silver eagles, but probably at least $30. Okay, what is that? Looks like a money clip. Magnetic. That's kind of cool. Okay, we got some value finally back. Let's see. Let's keep on going. Ooh, silver spoons, vintage watches. This says $9.25 on this thing, but I'll have to test it. It doesn't feel like silver actually. There's more like junk jewelry. Is it? Yep, that's just junk stuff. That's why they call it junk door. Red socks, earrings. Let's look at this pocket watch. Was clocks, pocket band. I mean, it's running. Don't know nothing about them though. It could be really cheap for what I understand. It says $9.25 on it for latchets, but it's so little bit of silver. It's mostly stone, so it's like not even worth for silver. So is this one. It says $9.25, but something tells me it's not silver, it's fake. There's so many fakes, $9.25. We'd have to test it. Alright, I don't see it telling me this is silver, so this is not silver. This one says $9.25, so we'll have to test it again. There's so many fakes out there. And what is this? Just a spoon. It doesn't say sterling on it, so it's junk. Ooh, check this out. This is kind of cool. This stone definitely nice. You see how it's like changes the color? Look like a cat eye. Okay, it says on the back of it $9.25, but again we'll have to test it. Okay, that's a big junk door. We gotta keep on going. Some kind of model plane, most likely plastic. Oh, this is a viewing film, vintage. There's a little toy over here, like a dollhouse tools or something. Okay, nice. There is something valuable right here, maybe. I think this is $1 United States, made in USA. I'm not really sure. Should be like 90% silver, I think. So it's pretty big. 1973 it says over here, 1977 in the back. We'll have to research that coin. This side here, 90% silver, United States coin over here. I've seen those all the time, so I'm not worried. It says $50, so this is United States currency, but it's silver, so it's more than $50. So at least like $6, but it's also in a nice condition. What is that? Some kind of brush? Weird. Junk doors are fun. Cassettes. Let's get something more valuable over here. Okay, there's $2 $50. This is $16 smelt volume. Give it or take it. Silver fluctuates a little bit. Wow, there's a whole pile of 10 cents. So this is $1.50 each, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. So around $20 smelt value. And this is nice stuff over here. This is around $17.50 melt value, piece dollar, silver, 90% silver, quality is bad. 1921 Morgan silver dollar, and another 1921. So that's right here, like 40, around close to $60 just in three big $1 90% silvers. Oh, look at that vintage knife. That's kind of cool. Pretty good quality. I see those knives are camping, kind of like all beat up, so this is a good quality for a vintage knife. It's like a Boy Scout knife. There's a viewing film, and then we have here a bunch of newer watches, Indiegogo, Timex. I think Timex is like a Walmart watch. Don't see any Rolexes, but again, I don't know much about watches. Some kind of jewelry box, junk. And finally, last box over here. What is that? I think this is a cigar box. Oh my gosh, no way, this is hilarious. I can't believe. I don't think you're allowed to sell tobacco, cigars or cigarettes on eBay, and this is a straight up cigar, so you never know what you can get on eBay. This is hilarious. Straight up a cigar. Well, like what, this is at least like what, $5 to $10. I don't smoke, but this is funny that I got full-on cigar from eBay. That's hard to get over there because it's against the terms of service buying cigars. Yeah, you never know, you can still get stuff on eBay that is like you're not supposed to sell. Yeah, so yeah, a lot of fun opening this junk drawer. Definitely didn't expect to get that. I didn't even see that, so maybe it was under the pile. A lot of good silver, a lot of good junk and fun stuff. Let me know in comments below, what do you think.